All right, I'm the Flat Rate Master, and today we're talking about, well, technicians owning shop equipment. TPMS tool I talked about, I bought, and I got a bunch of comments about, shouldn't that be shop equipment? Shouldn't that be shop equipment? Well, yes. But I've never had good luck using shop equipment. You know, I've always wanted my own of everything. Why? Because 9 times out of 10, you go to grab something like a TPMS tool. Again, we're not a full-time tire shop, so chances are it's going to be dead. Chances are you're not going to be able to find it. Chances are it's going to be broken. That's why I invest in my own shop equipment. Not because I'm paying for, my boss's lifestyle, or really it's because I don't want to go walking looking for stuff. That's what it comes down to, is I don't want to spend 20 minutes looking for this. The other day I had to spend about 15 minutes looking for wheel lock keys because somebody hadn't put them back yet. Daniel. That's why I like investing in shop equipment. Not because, no, it's because I'm lazy. I don't want to walk around to find equipment. I don't want to walk around and go, have you seen that? I don't want to do it. I'd rather go to my toolbox, pull something out, do the job, and get done with it. That's why I do that. It's not so much because my boss isn't willing to buy tools. I think we've actually got rid of it because the battery was dead, but we had a Bartec. But my point is not so much on this particular tool as I shine my studio light on it. My point of buying this tool is not because my shop owner won't buy it or won't have it. It's because I don't like walking around looking for stuff. I don't like finding stuff broke. I hate having to, stop what I'm doing because the AC machine's locked out because the last person that used it didn't change the filter. Yeah, been there. We have filters over there. So that's why I have as much shop equipment as I have. It's because, well, I don't want to go looking for it. I know it's redundant, but that's the fact, is this saves me from walking all around the shop looking for a tool. That's why I've got multiple battery chargers, why I have my own laptops. Why? So I don't have to go find it. And I know I've done a video similar to this, but I figured this was kind of ranty, so I figured I'd do a new one. As always, thanks for watching. I am the Flat Rate Master.